What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Well, I probably don't have any ladies watching, and let's be honest, most of you guys probably aren't gentlemen either. You're all a bunch of hooligans. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. I've been trying to get this video out for like 4 months now, and I posted shit all over Instagram, and you know, I've just been too goddamn lazy to get it out. It's not my fault, I promise. I've just, well, no, it's absolutely 100% my fault. Oh, now we're stuck at the night. Oh, we just barely got the video started. Any day now. Alright, what was I saying? Now that we're back moving again. Oh yeah, I've been trying to get this video out for a while. As you can see, I have bought myself a new motorcycle. Oh yes. Some of you may know already that the Hawk 250 was sold. It was actually sold like 4 months ago, but again, too lazy to get the video done. Anyways, this is the newest addition to the channel. Not that there's been much of a channel. I've kind of been taking the summer off, but that's okay. But this is the newest addition to the channel. 2017 Suzuki. I don't have any emblems to point at. That was going to be clever. Nope. Nowhere up here does it say Suzuki. 2017 Suzuki V-strom 650. Could have went for the 1000, but I kind of like the idea of the 650. A little bit lighter, a little bit smaller, a little bit more off-roady than the big 1000. And this is the EX model or whatever, the special edition model, which means it's yellow. And it's got gold rims. And they're spoked rims. And it's got itself a skid plate for all those off-road adventures. Which is exactly what I plan on doing with this. Adventuring, off-road, on-road. Oh god, my nose itches. I'm really hoping there's not a lot of wind noise. God, hair in the nose. I'm hoping there's not a lot of wind noise with this helmet. I haven't actually tested the setup on this helmet. I got a new helmet like at the beginning of the year that I hadn't used at all for motovlog. And I just now got it set up and I'm hoping that it sounds good. If it doesn't, don't worry, we're going to be going on some slower roads here in a minute and then I'll fix it before the next video. Anyways, what is up? It's been a long time since I posted a video. I've just been chilling, you know, summertime, just enjoying my time away from school, work, all the responsibilities of an adult man. And that includes making videos. So anyways, let's talk about the let's see if I can transition any way other than saying anyways. Let's talk about the Suzuki V-strom for a minute. Why did I buy it? Why did I sell the Hawk? Why are we on this yellow thing and not cruising around on some Chinese enduro adventure, whatever you want to call it? Well, the answer is quite simple. The Hawk has one major flaw that I couldn't use, or I couldn't get past. Don't get me wrong, I love the Hawk. The Hawk is, in my opinion, one of the funnest bikes to own. However, there was something that I just couldn't get past. And that is, it is not highway capable. And around where I live, I mean, short of the trails right next to city limits, I couldn't go anywhere to ride trails. I couldn't go out of town. I couldn't go, well, anywhere unless I wanted to trailer it, which was a possibility, but it was frustrating. It's like you'd be driving along and be like, oh dude, look at that bitchin' trail, and then all of a sudden you can't go on it. Why? Well, if you're passing it out of town, you're not on the Hawk to begin with. But mostly, you know, you'd have to pack up the Hawk, put it in a vehicle, take it out there, and then unload just like in the middle of the fucking countryside, and then leave your vehicle behind and go on your trail. I don't like the idea of that. So the next best thing, adventure bike. That way I could just ride the bike to the trail and then not have to worry about leaving a vehicle behind and you still get all your trail adventures. And it works out for everybody. Why did I go with the Suzuki? Well, because I'm a Suzuki loyalist. And I love the Suzukis. I think they make good bikes. Overall, you know, for me, they're like a solid 7 out of 10 always. And I like that. I like it more than, oh God, puddle. I just waxed this thing. Oh no. Oh Jesus, that's slippery. Hopefully there's no puddles out here where I'm going. My keys are jingling. These tires on here are like 2080s or something, like, or 8020s. So they're not real great for off-road. They're not terrible, but they're not great. Fortunately, I have traction control and ABS and all the little doodads that none of the other Suzuki bikes come with. Ooh, I should loosen up my suspension before I came out here. Going downhill. Ooh, that was a sketchy turnabout there. That was a big rut. I have no idea where this trail goes, so we're probably going to end up like out in a murderer's house. Left or straight? Let's go straight for a minute, see where this leads us to, and then we'll switch around. But this is the reason I bought an adventure bike. See how I was out on the highway coming out to you guys, or coming out to the trail talking to you guys, and I didn't have to unload. The bike made it just fine, and now I get to ride off-road. Although this is kind of just like a trail here, although the grass is really long. Hopefully there's no serial killers out here, or I don't know, giant mud puddles. Let's see how we're gonna get around this. Go up here. Yeah. This bike's just a hair heavier than the oh god. Just a hair heavier than the Hawk, so you know when you get in bad spots like this. Come on, baby. Whoa. That, my friends, is how you die. There's water to the right of me. Ooh. Okay, so adventure bike is just a little less capable than the Hawk. She is slippery. Yeah. Just take her nice and slow so we don't run into any more puddles. It's been raining like a biatch. Shit. We're fucked. Agile she is not. We could go through. Oh Jesus. Nice and slow through the mud puddle there. And then maybe... See, this wouldn't be a problem with like off-road tires. But these off-road tires Suzuki claims they have are actually like not. Oh god, so slippery. We're planning our path here, that's why we're going slow. I don't really feel like getting stuck out here in a puddle. And I got my visor down, which is reflecting light. Water to the right, mud to the left. Oh boy. Oh no. That looks like it's like underbrush puddle. Just keep going. Yay! Oh, we made it! Definitely should have gotten the off-road tires package. Not that that was an option, but it would have been nice if it was. It takes a little bit more time with the road tires. You got to be a little bit more cautious. Yeah, I've totally completely fallen in love with this thing, and I don't even ride my Gixxer anymore. I just haven't felt the need for speed. Like I want the adventure lifestyle. Adventure lifestyle is leading me to probably a dead end. Adventure bike. Just take it nice and slow. Don't need to end up in, I don't know, a pond. A bike path. Oh, I didn't even know this was out here. Actually, I didn't know anything was out here because I've never been out here. Although the bike path looks like it leads up to that house, so I don't know if it is a bike path. It might just be a road. Well, we didn't come out here for the roads, damn it. We came out here for the adventure. Hey, found where that little path that I was wondering about went. I'm willing to bet this leads up to like somebody's ranch or farm property. There's a big puddle down that way. I don't want to like trespass, but there's no trespassing signs anywhere. I bet I have a bush stuck on the engine. I say that because I smell burning. Alright, we'll keep moving. Oh, more mud. Oh, geez. Okay. Let's see here. Obviously very loose mud. We could go like this far outside line. The problem is, you know, if I don't make it, I'm gonna be stuck as fuck. That looks so soft. If I had some off-road tires, this wouldn't be a problem. Alright. Yeah, it's soft. See this here? Soft. Doable, you know, if I have the balance of a gymnast. Alright, let's do it. Oh, I just washed this thing today. Ugh. Oh, we're in the mud. We're in it now. Oh, this was such a bad idea. Need knobbies. Keep feet down. Oh God, I have made a colossal mistake. Mistakes have been made. I'll just creep along. Alright, I think we made it. We're free. Oh man, that was getting a little sketchy. Oh, now we got this uphill portion. Let's try not to crash. Gotta stay out of the ruts. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Cha. V-strom, very good bike. Very good indeed. Cha. The adventure bike handles well off-road where it was designed to go. I will do a proper size up of this bike, you know, like all of its gadgetry and doodads and DVDs and whatever's. Words are hard, leave me alone. But we'll give it a good thorough review. I don't know why review is such a hard word for me to think of. So yep, there it is, newest addition to the squad. She was nice and purdy before you guys had me take her off the road. But that's gonna, God, bug flew in my helmet. It better not be a bee. Fucking bees. I don't know what it was. I think it was a moth that like swooped up under my helmet and was tickling my chin. Oh yeah, I'm hoping to upload twice a week again, get back into that schedule, but you know, with school now, school's back in motion, it'll kind of free up me from doing like day-long activities, so I'll be finding time to fill in little holes in my day, and I think that'll be the perfect excuse to do that. So we'll get back into the videos, start hitting it a little bit harder, get back into the swing of things, and I'm gonna start doing maybe some off the bike stuff. Not like vlogging, like off the bike vlogging, because nobody really cares about my fucking face that much. But I don't know, I had some interesting ideas. Just, you know, goofing off, blowing shit up, being a hooligan. Maybe try some of that stuff out, because motovlogging isn't really selling at the moment. And that's okay. Again, not trying to make money, just trying to have fun. And I think it could be fun to record some shenanigans. Anyways, that's pretty much it. That outro lasted way longer than I hoped it would. This is gonna be like a fucking 20-minute video. And we're stuck behind a semi doing 25 and a 55. Yeah, 28. Oh, almost a 30. You don't even have a load on, sir. Oh, there's a truck in front of him. That's what's holding us up. Okay. You get a pass this time, Mr. Semi. Anyways, I'm over 27. Until next time, peace.